Hey people, let's go ahead and make a brown sugar shaken espresso. This is the bottom portion of my espresso, so we're gonna go ahead and make it right in the jar today. First thing we're gonna do is add in 1 Splenda. That's my preference, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 heaping scoops of brown sugar. You know what? I lied. I'm going to add in 3 of them. Okay? I'm going to add some hot water. Ooh, y'all see that? Add in the hot water. Now, let's go ahead and shake this baby up. Because that's what it is. OMG! Oh! Malfunction, y'all. Oh my God. Let's try it again. Oh my goodness. Ooh, no, it's too hot. I can't do it that way. Shoot. Oh, got hot espresso all over myself. All right, let's do it like this. We're gonna use the frother. Crap. Guess I should have let that water cool down a little bit. Oh my goodness, only me. All right, guys, moving right along. See if I can move after my little mishap. Oh Jesus, I hope I don't get any scars. Let's add our ice. Everything's going wrong this morning. Machine, you don't want to pull out the ice. Oh. Man, you couldn't pay me to do that. I didn't know it was going to explode. But anyway, you put in your ice, okay? Let's give it another quick little stir. I wanted this video to be quick. Next, I'm going to go in with some almond milk. I don't add too much because I don't like my drinks very milky. And I'm going to go in some creamer. And last, guys, we're going to go in with some cinnamon. And y'all, there we have it, our brown sugar shaken espresso. What do you think? How does it look? Looks good. Let's see what it tastes like. This is good, y'all. You gotta try this. You gotta try it. Now just pray that I don't get any scars from that hot coffee splashing back on me. But anyway, that's the video. Y'all have an amazing day and be blessed.